Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting our Scratch tutorial series. If you have never coded before, don't worry, Scratch makes it super easy and fun. By the end of this video, you will know how Scratch works and even create your first mini project. So, what is Scratch? Scratch is a free beginner-friendly coding platform created by MIT. Instead of typing code, you drag colorful blocks to build games, animations, and stories. To get started, go to Scratch website, say scratch.mit.edu. So it's actually created by MIT. It's an educational website. You can use Scratch without an account, but if you wanted to create, so you have to click on join Scratch and then sign in. With account, you will be able to save and share your projects. Once you have your website, so just click on the create button. We are starting without an account. So when the website is on, by default some tutorials are there. You can even watch the tutorial videos to learn more. So let's see what we can see on the Scratch editor. On the left hand side we have block palette. These blocks are like motions, looks, sounds, events, and even when you click on this add extension button, you can add more blocks on your Scratch editor. So in the middle is the coding area where we actually dragging our code, because remember we no need to be write any code on Scratch, we have to just drag and drop. So we are dragging the code and just drag to the left hand side to remove the code. On the right hand side we have this big white space. So this is actually a stage area where our projects run. Below the stage area we have sprites list, so you can add different characters, objects on your projects. By default we have Scratch Cat, but you can also click on the list of sprites and choose whatever character you want. On the bottom right in here we have backdrops. That means you can add some different backgrounds for your project. So you can add any background, whatever you want you can add. You can also delete your sprite if you don't want any. So for example, I don't want this cat in here, so I will select the cat and I say delete. It will ask me, are you sure you want to delete this sprite? If I say yes, then it's going to be deleted. I have a sprite, I have a background. Let's add very simple code in there to make this ballerina to dance. For this, I will just click on that yellow button. I will say when green flag click, and then I will add some loop in there forever. Let's see next costume. Let's see some more block. So this is my code. To run this code, I have to click in this green flag. So this is how it's working. If you wanted to add sound in there, you can stop the code by click this red button. We can again say when green flag click, and we will say sound and then play sound. By default we can see the pop sound, but if you want to add another sound in the list, so simply you have to click on the sound tab and say choose sound. On the loops, I'm just adding a simple sound. Go back to the code palette and select specific sound. To see, just click on the green flag. So if you signed in, you can save this project. So I'm just clicking save to your computer. So saving this on your download folder on your computer. So let's sign in to save our project on cloud. So logged in with your account if you have one. So I have one already. So I'm logging in. Name your projects. So this is dance move. And then save file, save now. So my project is saved. If you signed in, you can also share your project with another Scratch community members. They can see your projects if you have some kind of instructions, so you can write some instructions for your project, but it's here for the people. They can write some comment, you can see, review, comments, like, star, and many other things. So this is how you can save and share your project. Just click on see inside to back to your project again. Even you can see my stuff, so that you can see your all projects in your code. So that's it. This is how the Scratch editor works. But on the Scratch editor, we have lot of other options. We have a lot of other blocks that we will discuss one by one, how it works and how we can use these blocks in our different projects, whether it's games, animations, or stories. So all good. We done our first animation project with the Scratch editor. I hope you liked it. So please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.